Today, how to get all of your memories printed wirelessly from your smartphone. We're going beyond AirPrint or Android Print or Google Print. How to get it all done on a dime with the best deal coming right up. Where are your best photos? Great to be with you. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I hunt down the best deals in the country. And chances are your best photo is stuck somewhere on your smartphone or a cloud or Instagram or Facebook or wherever it is. We've reached a point in time where no one's getting beautiful physical photo prints anymore, and they are so fun to share. All those candid memories. The point where a lot of us have nostalgia over Polaroid cameras if you were around for that. And yes, you can text someone a photo, but there's something really nice about capturing a beautiful moment like this with my Nana, where I'm not necessarily going to have her enjoy a photo on her iPhone, but she could put this on the fridge. And if you think of all of those times for bachelorette parties and those fun moments at weddings where everyone's jumping into photo booths, people love getting their photos printed. So I figured I would look for a deal today on a mobile, instant wireless photo printer that doesn't break the bank, that gets you some really beautiful prints done on a dime. I'm going to show you how this works. As you can see, it's running the printer through, and it's actually getting some beautiful resolution. This is the magenta, and it has the different cartridges. So the nice thing is it actually holds on to its ink a lot longer than your typical thermal printer. If you're around for the Polaroid cameras, this is that same level of excitement. One of my first cameras was a Polaroid, and this prints in seconds. You can see that the print that it actually generates is phenomenal quality. This is right out of the printer right now in a few seconds. That's my mom, that's my wife, that's my sister, that's my aunt, this is myself. We all met at an airport without planning it. It was a very cool chance run-in. But if you look in the background, the random people who may not be aware or deliberately trying to photobomb us, they've made it out in perfect resolution as well. You look at the photo itself, there is no discrepancy between the photo I printed and the photo that I wirelessly transmitted from my smartphone. This is awesome. So you select the photo from your photo section, and this is my 5-year-old nephew, Sam. Sam doesn't have a smartphone, and with what I'm able to print now, he can hang this up in his room. I know it'll be a really cool souvenir for him. I can use this for all of those moments where you want photos, you want that instant gratification, but perhaps you don't want to leave the photo trapped on Instagram or somewhere else. In a few quick seconds, it prints the different color layers of the photo. And you're going to see that once it finishes with magenta, it moves on to its next layer. And then in under a minute, you have beautiful photos, keepsakes for those who may not want to leave a photo trapped on their smartphone. It's wallet size, it's ready, and it's a really beautiful souvenir of these candid moments we all have where we rarely get a chance to share the photo. And sometimes you don't want to just text a photo to someone and hope they open it. Maybe they don't have a smartphone. I'll show you in a moment that in the case of my Nana, she's not going to open this on her iPhone necessarily. I'm going to give her something that's printed and ready to rock. Photo comes right out of the printer, beautiful resolution. You can actually crop more. Sam is showing me that he is my #1 nephew, and I'm going to show him that this is my #1 photo printer. This is my Nana, and my Nana is 86, looks awesome for her age. She actually has an iPhone, but she rarely goes to the trouble of getting photos printed, and she's constantly saying to me, oh, I want to see that, I want to see it up close, or I want to hold the photo. So we can print this photo right now for my Nana. You can crop it, you can make adjustments within here, but I'm going to just do a quick print. You can see that it transfers very quickly. It's going to do a yellow, a magenta, and then a final print stage, and in under a minute, I'm going to have a beautiful photo of my stunning Nana. There's the cyan, and one of the nice things is the printer works very quickly between layers. And there's something very gratifying about watching this photo come out of the printer, kind of like the Polaroid mesmerization that so many of us have had. You don't need to wave the photo though, even though you technically weren't supposed to do that for Polaroids and everyone did. It comes out dry and coated and ready for your wallet or to share. Look at that. Beautiful photo. My Nana looks great. I look average. It doesn't change anything with regards to your nose size, but at least the photo is wallet size, ready to rock. I can now print our ultrasound photo, and I want you to know that some hospitals will do this for you for a total fee of $18. I can now print my own photo. This would be really cute for a wallet, the fridge. This is my future daughter. She's going to be named Delia Kasha Granite. Get it? Delia, Deal, Kasha, Cash. My wife said that she will divorce me if I do that. But still, I think it's fun. And more importantly, I can get this photo and share it with her in seconds. Now, my wife is an emergency room doctor. Based on what was going on here, I thought, oh, we're actually having a boy. Someone was wrong. That's a foot. So yeah, I shouldn't get too excited. There you go. Beautiful girl on the way. That is the ultrasound photo. Within your Wi-Fi settings, all you need to do is select the printer itself. Password is 5432. All you have to do within your Wi-Fi settings is select the printer. There's no cables, there's nothing complicated. It immediately hooks you up on the spot. And then if we go into our photos from here, you can see there's actually a lot of flexibility within the app itself. So from where you print, you can actually edit the photos, which is fantastic. You can adjust the color, you can decorate it differently, you can crop. This is not something that you ever want to worry about when you're doing a quick photo print. You don't want to start uploading through different apps and edit software. The same app that helps you print is the same app that allows you to adjust and edit on the fly. You can flip photos vertically, horizontally, you can do some color correction. So even if you have a decent camera on your iPhone, you can really improve and perfect your photos before you get it printed. The inkless self-contained cartridges contain both the paper and the ink. So each cartridge gives you 10 prints you can easily refill when you need. There's no fingerprints or hassle with cleaning and maintenance on the cartridge itself. It just goes in and it's ready to rock. Now this mobile photo printer is compatible with the Apple iPhone, iPad, Android smartphones. It is so compact that you can take it anywhere, about the size of an iPhone 8 Plus, and the Pickett mobile app, which I've shown you, makes it really easy to edit on the fly. The beautiful glossy images are 2 by 3.5 inches and completely borderless. So this is ideal for quick card and ID prints as well if you need to do that. The printer easily charges through any type of USB, comes with the cord itself, and one charge gives you about 25 prints. So you do get a lot of battery life. There's no need to connect with cables or DSL or 4G data or LTE. This just gets it done wirelessly on the fly. If you want to take advantage of this deal, just click the link located right under the video screen. There you will find the lowest recorded price on the Pickett wireless photo printer. This is my #1 pick. I've tested different photo printers, which actually began last December, right around the holidays. A lot of people looking to do these for office parties and gifts. And actually one of the photos that I have with my first cousin was from Christmas. You can see this one right here. That's Becky. She's wonderful, but I think a really good gift for her would have been a photo print. She's got a new daughter. This would have been my pick for that. So if you want to grab it, I'm not sure how long this deal will be around, but feel free to take advantage of the link if you want to. More importantly, if there's other deals you want me to hunt down, let me know, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you and I love saving you money. It's become such a huge part of my life and I'm really honored to have you part of it. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, here's what you need to do. Click on my face right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, it's over here.